You wake up na all the tita and tito's looking at you. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Me? Are you gonna go with Daddy? You have to ask Daddy.
Daddy, can we come? Yeah! I can go too. I can see my new car here.
You can see your new car?
I can drive in the shop my new car.
Do you want to drive? Yeah.
Go and drive. Oh, and drive.
You drive, okay?
Me, I will drive.
Yeah. Can you drive?
Yes, I'm growing up.
Where are you going, Paris? Huh? Gonna open up.
Would you get it?
You get it. You're a big girl.
But Daddy might see me.
Huh?
But Daddy see me.
Are you scared of Daddy? Are you scared Daddy will see you?
There.
Okay, Mommy will get it for you. Go, go, go. Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back sa channel natin. Happy Friday! Kakagising ko lang guys. Magkakape tayo ngayon. Actually, magmamilo. Ayan. So today is Friday. At kanina pa ako nagising. Ngayon lang ako bumangon. Alam niyo naman na wala ng work si Mommy, diba? So I can get up anytime na gusto ko. Ang ating baby girl walang school today. So alam nyo, natutulog pa. She's really good at sleeping, guys. Seriously. Never ako nagka-problema kay Paris. Even before nung baby pa siya. Never ever ako nagka-problema about sa tulog. Kasi mahimbing yan siya matulog. Hindi yan siya gumigising sa midnight, yung mga ganun. Wala. Straight yung tulog niya talaga. So, I'm hoping na this one, I'm hoping that this one is the same. Malapit na palang maubos ng Milo, guys. Oh. Kung naririnig niyo ang ating daddy mic sa background, and working from home siya kasi Friday. Alam nyo, hindi tayo nakapag-vlog for the last 2 days. I think, sobrang busy si mami nyo, guys. And also, I feel so tired. No, naiintindihan nyo naman ako, no? Kung bakit feeling tired ako. Feeling tired si Bontes. Kasi, we are literally 4 weeks away from popping out. Ayan. So, we are now on our 36, so magti-37 weeks na tayo. So, yun na ang ating Milo. Tingnan niyo, oh. Ito yung galing sa labas ng mga damit. They're still cold kasi nga maginaw sa labas. Kaya, hinang ko muna dyan. Kaya, pasensya na medyo messy tingnan. And then, kagabi, nag-start akong mag-fold dyan. Hindi ko natapos, guys. Natulog ako. Ayan. Hi, Daddy. Good morning. Kape-kape muna tayo. Kape-kape. Tingnan nyo. Merong pa Skyflex si Mayora. Uy. Dalawa. Start kagabi. So, yung Victoria dito sa Melbourne, 5 days snap lockdown. Yun yung sinabi nila. So, since, last night hanggang Tuesday midnight. Hindi pa yun sigurado, ha? Maybe pa yun. Extend pa yun. But hopefully, hindi na. So, what's this study? 5th lockdown of the year? Or 5th lockdown since COVID started? Since never. Kaya nga nag-message kami ni Jess. Kasi nga, birthday niya noong isang araw. Tapos, bukas is celebrate sa bahay nila. Sabi ko sa kanya, dahil kung hindi pa ako manganganak, I'll be there for sure, diba? Hindi pa nga ako nanganak, pero nag-lockdown naman, so hindi matutuloy. Kaya I feel so sorry for her kasi ang dami na daw yung mga pagkain na nabili. Kasi nga, may mga bisita din siya bukas. Paano na lang yun? Sabi ko, pwede pa ba yung ilagay sa freezer para sa kahit next weekend na lang? Gisingin ko nga ang ating baby girl. Uy, kasi
Parcel Collect.
Ha?
Parcel Collect.
Yeah. Still. Okay. Kakatanong lang ni Daddy kung natutulog pa ba ang ating baby girl. Tulog na tulog pa. Very comfortable ng ating shirt. Daddy, my shirt is so comfortable.
Is that my shirt? Which one is that?
I don't know. This is Daddy Mike's, guys. Ito yung sinuot ko pag sinusuot ko pag natutulog ako kasi very soft, medyo mahangin, parang may aircon. Very stretchy, so kasyang-kasya ang ating tignan nyo. Kasyang-kasya ang ating baby silid. Ano to, guys? Mababa na. Ganyan, nakaganyan na siya. Kasi palagi na akong feeling ko naiihi na ako all the time, guys. Pupush niya ang aking bladder ba? Tingnan nyo, tulog na tulog ka. Baby girl. Good morning. Good morning, my princess. Kulitin natin, guys. Hi, nak. Good morning. Alam niyo ba, guys, na yung bed niya ay doon, sa gilid. Pero pag midnight, hinahanap niya talaga ako, guys. Sinasabi niya, can I sleep with you? Shh. Wake up na, uy. It's very late na. Uy. Labaw ilok, Labaw ilok, no. Bakit ka ilok, nak? Ha? Good morning. Good morning, love ni mama. Shh. 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 Wake up na, wala tita and tito's looking at you. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Ayush! Tignan niyo yan siya, guys, diba? Kagising pa lang, big smiles na yan siya. Say good morning, tita and tito.
Morning.
Good morning.
Tito.
Oh. Did you have a good sleep, na?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you dream?
Yes.
What did you dream about?
Mommy.
Did you dream about what? Huh?
Mommy.
Mommy? Really? What did mommy do in your dream? What did mommy do in your dream?
Pants.
Taka. Wake it up na, anak. Uy, late naman, anak.
I'm tired.
You're tired? What have you been doing? Why are you tired?
This is the one to play.
Play?
Because I'm very tired.
Huh? Yush! Yush! Ayaw pa rin niyang bumangon talaga, guys. Ayun na. Paano ito habol? Hey! Good morning, world. The beautiful girl is now awake. I love you.
I love you.
Wait. Say, I'm awake.
Alright.
Come on, Mama made Milo.
Milo? Yeah, Milo.
Yeah. Come.
Look at the Milo.
Of course. Come.
Which color is that?
Which color is it? It's chocolate color. Itchy?
No, it's not.
Come on.
Let's go see it.
Let's go see it.
Mellow. I like mellows.
Do you? It's hot coffee.
Hot coffee mellow.
We will put your hair up, sabi. Okay. Sampungan yung mata. Ooh. What do you say to Daddy? Good morning, Daddy. Kiss tansin, Daddy. Ay. Naranak, oh. Mellow.
Yeah.
Yummy. Alam niyo, oh. Sobrang wet outside. Diyan ko pinark ang ating car. Kasi kagabi, punong-puno na doon. Ay, nanak, nakanday na dawat si mama, no? We'll unbox it. Ben?
Yeah. That's one.
That's the one. Yan. This is from Baby Bunting, guys. Baby Bunting. Bibili ko to siya from eBay. Na-store nila na Baby Bunting. This is what's inside. Ang laki ng box. Uy, ito lang ang laman. Come here na po. Shoot it out dito. Have a look.
That's our trap.
Wow.
That's our trap.
That's a singlet, honey.
Oh. That's it. Yeah. Bye.
A singlet.
Oh, is that cool? Hey? Here's that song?
Too small for you, my love. And then we've got bib.
Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah. And then, ito talaga yung main, guys.
Mama?
Yes.
What's this?
That's for him na ko when baby Celine eats. Bib. Bib, yeah. And this one, guys, is, ito yung sabi ko na para dyan sa ating bassinet. The peanut shell bedding and decor. Fitted sheets. I-open natin, guys. Super cute. Wow! Tingnan nyo ang kanyang sisidlan, guys. Ayan. Sobrang liit. Nako, for baby Celine's bed. Oh. Sobrang cute ng clouds. And then the other one is rainbow. Ayan. Diba? Try natin, guys, ha? Ilagay natin dito. Diyan. Kasya naman to. I think it's universal na size. Ayan siya, guys.
Let me see.
Wow!
Hey.
What's that? Pillow?
Blanket.
A blanket?
No. Pillow.
A pillow for?
Ceiling.
Celine.
Is that your sister?
That's for him.
Yeah.
Not for me.
Super nice. Obviously, laban pa natin yan, guys. Chinek ko lang. So soft?
That's so soft.
Wow. Kasi most of the time, I think dito magstay si Celine, guys. Kasi under the, parang nakikita siya ng sunlight ba? Diba yung mga newborn? Parang, pa sila yung yellowish, ganun. And they need, sun. Wow. Do you like it, Nak? Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes.
A few moments later.
What is that on your arm?
Biscuit.
What is it?
Biscuit.
Bracelet?
And my phone. Laser phone in here.
Wow. Paris have 2 bracelets.
I have 2
Binhisan ko na,
bracelets.
guys, kasi
I have
dalahin siya ng
my
tatay niya
talking
mag-walking.
weather.
Hmm?
This is talking weather.
Is that for Ryder?
This is for weather to cold.
To-
This.
How? Show me.
Okay, I gotta do this. And like Marshall.
Like Marshall?
I gotta go Marshall musical tissue and do this. And then Marshall need help for me.
Marshall need help?
Yes. Here we go. Marshall. Okay, yes. I'm gonna be right.
What did you say?
I'm saying I just talked to Marshall.
Okay, how to talk to Marshall? Show me.
Okay, I'm gonna do this, Marshall. Okay, I'm gonna do this.
I'm gonna do this like that?
Yes, just like that. Do you want to be ready too on this?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, yan, naka-shoes na guys, oh.
There we go.
Sapatos.
Now I have my best bit.
You wear your jacket, and then you get Mama something, huh? Can you get Mama something?
Yeah. Which one gotta be? Which one?
I don't know. When you get there, you look at what you think Mama likes. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you.
You got coffee.
Coffee?
Yes, coffee. I'm about to sing to you, Jamie, my recipe and my doggy.
What is that, Anak?
This is a
Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, bring it.
Is this not work?
It's not working. It is working, Anak. You have to turn it. Come on. Oh, you hold it.
Can you help me?
Do you want to go with Daddy or not?
Yeah.
Okay, give me a kiss. I love you. Enjoy, okay? Go, it's okay. Mama will wipe it. Come, please. Sige na, Nak. Careful. Look where you're going. Don't get wet, okay?
Okay.
Do you have a blanket there, Bob?
You're getting too big for the PAANO, honey. Your head's too big, you've got to walk too. Oh, but you got shit all over your face.
Just wipe it, Bob. That's from the drink. It's from the drink.
No, that was a drink.
Where's the tissue?
Just wipe it with the hands. It's not a lot to know.
Yeah, look at me.
You need blanket, na?
Yes, I'm going there. Okay.
See you, sweetie.
Yeah, Mama.
Enjoy. Kaalis ng dalawa. Hindi na ako sasama, guys, kasi alam niyo, ang dami kong planong gawin. Gusto kong mag-declutter ng mga damit dito sa kwarto. Yung mga damit ni Paris at damit ko. Tingnan nyo, hindi to siya organized, ha? Pero yung mga damit na hindi ko na anuhin kasi sobrang dami na talaga yung hindi ko na gagamitin. Ipapadala ko ng Pinas sa box. Perfect time ngayon. Ito yung gagawin ko. Ayan. May nailagay na ako dyan. Konti. Meron pa sa kabilang kwarto. Dito. Sobrang daming mga gamit dito, guys. Ito mga damit ni Paris. Oh. Ito naman. Ito yung mga bago na binili ko sa shop for baby Celine. Kailangan labhan. So, labhan ko na sila while mag-declutter ako ng mga damit. Ayan. Magugulo na naman tayo. Hayaan nyo na. Para makulangan na to dito. Ayan. What did you say?
I miss you.
You miss me?
No?
Did you miss me?
Wait.
Thank you, Daddy. Ayan, nakauwi na ang dalawa. Tingnan niyo ang bit-bit, oh. Fruit! What's this one, Para?
Bananas.
Bananas. What's this one?
Blueberries.
Ah, it's a big blueberry, anak.
Can you see?
Big one.
That's too big for a mouth.
Mandarins. You got
Mandarins. I love it.
And apple. Apple. Tapos nilan ako na dali ng pie. What did you have, Nak?
Candies.
Candies? Oh my lord. Baby, give me the thing with your jacket, babe. Take it off and be comfortable. Push. Where's your water? Oh, wow, you finished it? Good job, Mala. Very proud of you. That's for Mommy, sabi. Toot, 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 toot. Toot, 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 toot.
Why did I? Why keep singing?
Toot, oh, keep singing. Toot, 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 toot. Toot, 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 toot. Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's now 7 o'clock ng gabi. And, come here na. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Shop.
Shop? Daddy only.
Me?
Are you gonna go with Daddy? You have to ask Daddy.
Daddy, can we come? Yeah! I can go too.
You can go too. Just put it properly. Put it on.
Wait.
It's very cold.
Is my gonna come?
Mommy is coming because Mommy's driving. See?
I was right with Mommy and Daddy.
Do you?
This is the island. Now we're going to the car or in the pram.
Car, because it's very dark now. Have a look outside. Oh.
I can see my new car here.
You can see your new car.
I can drive in the shop and my new car.
Do you want to drive? Yeah.
Good, right, great.
You drive, okay?
Me, I will drive.
Yeah. Can you drive?
Yes, I'm a grown up.
You're a grown up.
Yeah, I'm a grown up driving.
Okay, so you can drive now?
Yeah, I can drive in my pink car.
In your pink car, but not the black car.
Yeah, that's too big.
That's too big?
Yeah, I can do it with my pink one, but it's not broken.
You can do with the pink one, but not with the black one?
Yeah, not the black wheel.
Why not? You can drive that.
Oh, yes, I'm a grown up. I can drive in that one, that one.
Do you want to drive it now?
Yeah, I don't want the pink one. The big one is the pink car is too small for me.
Sure. Come on na. Hold that in na. So, hindi na ako sasama sa loob, guys. Naglagay lang ako nito, pero nakapajama ako. Si Daddy na lang yung tatakbo kasi yun na nga, lockdown. Lockdown tayo. So, isang tao lang yung pwedeng papasok sa shop. So, yeah, we'll get in the car together, pero si Daddy Mike lang yung papasok.
I offered to get you something even though I have no money, and all you did was muck around and take your time. Okay? Say sorry.
Say sorry, Daddy. Say, I'm sorry, Daddy.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Give Daddy a cuddle. Your mama said don't be naughty. You can go in, but don't be naughty.
Sit down. And don't talk, okay? You don't talk for a while. You sit down and you think about what you did, okay? I want you to think about what you did.
Hi guys! It's now 9 o'clock ng gabi. Kakapasok lang namin dito sa bahay kasi ang ating baby girl ay nakatulog sa sasakyan. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang mata. Hi, tita, tito. You okay? Ang bata na napagalitan. Ang bata na napagalitan. Kasi naging stock siya kanina sa sa shop. Kasi sinabihan namin siya na papasok siya ng sasama siya sa daddy niya, pero magiging good girl siya. Tapos, pagdating doon, kaya tinawagan ako ng tatay niya. Kaya nag-video call kami doon. Kasi, pinapasabihan ng tatay niya. Kasi ito siya, guys, anong tawag dito? Naaano siya sa akin. Kapag sinasabi ko sa kanya na ganito, ganyan, sinusunod niya ako, guys, kasi nakita na niya ako before na very upset talaga ako at kaya parang naano sa utak niya ba na ayaw niya akong galitin. Ganun. So, ito siya. Kapag nag-i-NRT talaga ito siya o nagsusok, inaano talaga namin. Hindi talaga namin siya pinapabayaan na makuha lahat ng gusto niya. Kasi nung nandun siya sa shop daw, gusto niyang ayaw niyang pumili ng yung mga chocolates. Parang gusto niya lahatin. Yun ba? Kaya sabi ko, kumuha ka ng isa at lumabas ka na dyan. Ganon. So, alam ko na ang tawag ito.
Delicious.
Delicious, is it?
Yes, it is.
Good girl. Ayan. So, ganyan talaga namin yan siya dinidisiplina, guys. Kasi, para rin naman sa kanya yan, di ba? Pag pag lumaki na siya, ganon, ayaw kong maging parang spoiled talaga siya. Pagdidisiplina ay pagmamahal yun, guys. Alam natin lahat yan. Kaya itong batang ito ay talagang inaano talaga namin. Hindi talaga namin hinahayaan na makuha. Parang kung anong gusto niya, makuha niya. Ganon. Tapos pag pag may gusto siya, sinasabi namin wala kaming pera, ganito, ganyan, next time na lang. Ngayon, medyo okay na siya. Parang nakikinig na talaga siya. At kahit sa school, sinabihan ako ng teacher niya na sumusunod daw talaga si Paris sa mga instructions, yung mga ganun. Kasi ganyan talaga yung pinapakita ko sa kanya, guys. Pinapakita namin sa kanya. Pinagsasabihan lang naman. No?
We'll do some of this.
Wow, it's so yummy.
Try.
I'll try one. Ito yung niluto ni Daddy, oh. So, nung si Paris ay nandun pa sa sasakyan.
I don't want it.
You don't want that one?
Yeah, I like
pumasok
this
mo si
one.
Daddy Mike para magluto.
That one is really big.
Yeah.
And Daddy happy.
Delicious.
So yum.
Just finish it. I would just finish it. No, one more and finish.
It's okay. I'll go get rice. Where are you going, Paris? Huh? Open up.
Would you get it?
You get it. You're a big girl.
But Daddy might see me.
Huh?
My Daddy see me.
Are you scared of Daddy? Are you scared Daddy will see you?
There.
Okay, Mommy will get it for you. Go, go, go. Tingnan niyo.
I just kissed this.
Did you kiss it?
Mine? There's only one, Ollie.
Yeah, there's nothing left now.
Yes, who's eat one more?
You?
Don't Daddy.
No, you ate everything.
Daddy eat the next one.
Oh, did he eat the last one?
Yes, I eat this one. This one. The way I'll have to have this.
Alright. If you say so, Paris. Ayan.
Let me have something here. Let me have.
I-end na natin yung vlog natin, guys, ha? Kasi, alam nyo, late na. Kasi Saturday bukas, lockdown pa. Oh, walang lakad, walang plano. Kaya, okay. It's not melting. You have to open it very soon. Before it melts.
Give me a bowl.
What is it, huh?
Give me a bowl to melt this in the bowl.
You want to melt it in a bowl?
Yes, please.
Go ask Daddy ka.
Daddy, see me. We're gonna have ice cream.
It's okay. Daddy, tell Daddy Mommy gave it to you. So, Daddy, can I please have a bowl? Oh, you know where the bowl is?
I'm gonna leave this here.
Yeah, you can leave it here.
I want
Natatakot yan siya, guys. Kasi yun ang... yung tatay niya kanina, nagalit nga. Kasi nga, she was naughty before. Kaya ngayon, natatakot siya makita siya ng tatay niya na may dalang ice cream. Hindi naman yan ice cream, guys. Frozen yogurt yan. So, okay lang. No probs. Did you find that? Just a bowl, Bob. Sinabi niya sa daddy niya kaagad na binigyan ko daw siya. para hindi siya pagalitan. So, it's, you know, it's really good na at the early age, may takot na siya sa amin ba? Kasi, pag pinatagalan mo pa yan, diba?
Oh, dude, milk it!
Did you say thank you to Daddy?
Thank you, Yay.
You're welcome, my love. Yeah?
I think it's only blue, it's not orange.
Yeah, but inside it's pink.
Open it.
Open it before the heater melts it. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's different.
Put it in the bowl, honey. Put it in the bowl. Anyways, let's do a shout out now, guys. Kay malapit nang maglabas ng dakila.
This is so beautiful.
It's so beautiful, is it?
Yeah, it's not blue.
Oh, that's good, honey.
But it's not blue. This is pink. Up another pink one.
That's a pink one.
Yes. It's a red one.
Okay, you finish that one. You finish. Okay, shout out to Emily A, Shailene Rafales, Faye Guarnes, Jancy Pinay, Australia, Joanne Ambe, Rinsha Dakara,
That's okay.
Adelaida Ocano, hello madam. Shout
I'll get the
out
ice cream on the
to
bed.
Jovey Lalab, Connie Pascual, Lovella Raduk, Nilda Eslay, Hilaska, Belinda Jesus, Rosemary Verzon, Melin Lorente, G. Alcera, Gigi and Laika Vlogs, Digna Villavicencio, Cherry May Ungayo, Ivy Pacleb, Jenny Rose Parian Peralta, Elena Risulis, Nurhaya Dapat, Michi Manalo, and Jean Bagsik. Alisan na kayo nagpuse. Babay ta tita and tito. Wait. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can,
Bye.
say goodnight.
Good night. Bye.
Bye, guys. Mwah.